Meaning of incipient.
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 Incipient. The word incipient refers to something that is just beginning to develop or exist. It can be used to describe a wide range of situations, from a budding romance to the early stages of a disease. In general, incipient implies that something is in its earliest form and may not yet be fully formed or recognized. This term is often used in medical or scientific contexts to describe the early stages of a condition or phenomenon. Overall, incipient suggests potential or promise, but also a need for caution or close monitoring as the situation develops.